Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to apply multiple themes in a PowerPoint presentation. Let's start by applying a different theme to a single slide. Select the slide, right-click the theme you want, and choose Apply to Selected Slides. Now, if you want to apply a different theme to multiple slides, select Slide 2, then hold down the Control key. If you're on a Mac, hold down the Command key, and select Slide 3. Right-click the theme you want and choose Apply to Selected Slides. That's it. You've successfully applied multiple themes in one PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.